Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration NC19XMW. 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi 170 PSD, Cab Sport L1 Automatic. It has done 127,000 miles with full service history and 2 owners from new. It is a factory automatic sport. The van comes with air conditioning, 2 keys, parking sensors, alloys, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated windscreen, heated leather seats, cruise control, reverse camera, sat-nav, Apple CarPlay, lane assist. A stunning example. Here we have a SWB Sport Crew Cab model with an automatic gearbox and full service history, including its wet belt. Finished in the best color and with no VAT, what's not to like? A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.